guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a first impression slash review of this brand, which is called the Vatenn Italy from Saiflex Cosmetics. They contacted me and sent these four products for me to review them. I'm going to do first impression and also going to talk about the products individually, and I'm going to share my thoughts and opinion about the product. So just to give an overview of this brand, so these brands product were mostly used by the Bollywood makeup artists or makeup artists in general. It's curated for them, but it's high time that we also should know about this brand. I went through their website and also their page. I was finding them totally interesting, so I was like, yeah, let me try and test it out, and if it turns out good, why not suggest you guys if I like it. So that's what I'm going to do. And they also this booklet, so they have quite variety of products. Duo matte wet and dry powder, this is how it looks like, and it also mentioned the shades that it comes in. And here we have the compact powder, all day compact powder. They do have blushes in different shades, contour in 3 different shades, highlighter in 3 different shades. They do also carry the eyeshadow palette in 3 different shades. And the thing about these is that you can use it as either wet or dry. Even the bronzer, the blusher, the highlighter or the eyeshadow, you can use it either in dry way or in the wet way. We have silky waterproof eyeliner pencil in like 11 shades. So they have the selfie kajal eyeliner and French kohl eyeliner here. They do have lipsticks in different formula. One is the matte and other one is the creamy with lot of shades. Also we have the Kiss Proof 18-hour liquid lipstick in 15 different shades. They do carry foundation in the range, but for some reason I'm not able to see foundation here. But they do have 2 different types of foundation in the range. Vatenn Italy products are available in Amazon.in. So the first product I have is this Vatenn Italy foundation. It's long lasting 24 hours pro matte finish foundation. They come in 6 different shades, and I have in the shade called beige. And they claim that it is long lasting 24 hours. It has pro matte finish and it's oil free and it's lightweight foundation. So this is their claim. And they also mention the ingredient list behind the packaging. It has a squeezy tube packaging, which is very convenient. It feels so lightweight. Actually, it does not weigh too much. It's very travel friendly. They used a flat foundation brush to apply this foundation. It has a very cream consistency. It is not runny, it's not liquid, it's a very like a thick cream consistency. So I used a flat brush and I applied it portion by portion. I did not take too much, and all at once I did not try to apply and blend it. I applied it in a downward motion. The coverage of this foundation is medium to buildable coverage. And especially on this side, I tried to build it like for second time. I just want to see if it sits on top of the first layer well or not. And to my surprise, it did apply very well, and it also sat on my skin beautifully. Because when you have cream thick foundation, it can easily become cakey, but with this one I did not find that at all. They claim it's a matte foundation. I wouldn't agree it like totally matte. It's a semi matte velvety finish foundation. I applied little bit of powder, compact powder. Still you can see there is a little bit of shine, but it does not look like in a gross way. It looks like a healthy glow from within kind of a shine, which I really like. I like the finish that it gave it to me, especially for oily skin. I think this will sit on your skin very beautifully, I guess. And even with dry skin can try it because it's not completely matte finish. One more thing what I noticed about this is that it absorbed quite a bit of foundation onto its bristles. So I had to go back and forth to apply. But other than that, I feel the finish is beautiful. Talking about the price point, originally retail for 1,888, but currently it's on the offer, 34% off. So now it's retailing for 1,250 rupees. Second product that I have is this Vatenn Italy Studio Wet and Dry Bronzer. So it comes in this black cardboard box, and it has 3 shades. As I mentioned, I have in the last shade, which is 333 Hair Mosa. It also has the SPF 25 PA++, and the ingredient list is mentioned in the box itself. You can use this as a wet or dry bronzer or contour. These are pigmented. I mean, they are crazily pigmented. I did not expect pigmentation to be so damn good. They are super pigmented. Open it, you don't get any mirror, just the product on its own. This is how it looks like. Let me swatch and show it to you. Look at the pigmentation. I applied it using brush. I was not expecting it to be very pigmented. When I applied, I was like shook, and I had to blend it with another brush. But even though it is very pigmented, it blends beautifully. That's the one thing I am impressed about this product, because some products looks pigmented and feels pigmented, but they are literally hard to blend. But this blends like dream. And I also use it as my contour powder on my cheek, outer perimeter of my face, or as my nose contour. Also, I applied it as my eyeshadow onto the crease area alone, and you can see how beautifully it blends as a crease color. Totally impressed. This is completely not on the warm or on the cool side. It's neutral, I would say. So it's totally fine to use as bronzer or as a contour. Originally it retails for 1444 rupees. Now this bronzer is for 45% off. Now it is for 800 rupees. Now the third product I have is the Vatenn Italy Smudge Proof Ink Eyeliner. It's in the shade number 1 Black. So this is how it looks like. Comes in the red and black packaging. So it's in the pen form, and it has very precise edge to it, so you can easily apply your liner. You can go either thick or thin, totally under your control, because the liner, the tip of this ink eyeliner is so precise. I always like to shake it well before I use, because I just want that full on pigmentation, and this is what I have it as my eyeliner today. It looks black. It's very black. It is very pigmented, and it is a matte finish eyeliner. But regarding smudge proof thing, it is not claimed to be waterproof, but they claim it is smudge proof. I did the smudge proof test. It did not smudge off completely, but there is little bit of pigment coming off, especially if you are a beginner and struggling with doing eyeliner. This will really help you. That's what I really think. This one originally retailed for 1099, and it has in offer now 36% off, and it retails for 700 rupees in Amazon. Okay, the last and final thing that I have here is the Vatenn Italy 18-hour Kiss Proof Liquid Lipstick in the shade 12 Soft Nude. This is how it looks like, and this is what I have it on my lips. About this liquid lipstick, this is how the original packaging looks like. It also mentioned the ingredient list behind in the packaging itself, and shade name is mentioned in the down. And also they are dermatologically tested, and also they mention like keep lips apart for 60 seconds, which is true. Let me tell you why. Okay, now yesterday I tried this liquid lipstick. Okay, before filming this I tried it. I really liked the formula. It is very creamy and it applied it really well, but what I did was I did not read that thing which is mentioned in the packaging. I pressed my lips together and I didn't like the way how it looked. Now today I applied it for the second time. I read this and I was like, okay, this is the mistake. I did it before. I have to like keep the lips apart for at least a minute, and then it felt very comfortable. And the formula is not liquidy, it's like a cream, not completely moussey texture, somewhere in between mousse and liquid. Beautiful color though. It's a peachy nude. I don't have any shade like this in my collection. And what I really like about the color range here is that you get a liquid lipstick, either you have a good red, pinks, deep shades, but finding good nudes is very difficult in liquid lipsticks or in lipsticks. They do carry like 2-3 shade of nude lipsticks, which is nice. So this I will recommend for very fair skin tone or till my skin tone. Or if you're deeper than me, then don't go for this shade. You can try out the other shades because the formula is very comfortable. It's very lightweight. It's not feel heavy at all. and I have a little bit of pigmentation on my top lip. When I applied, it did not cover it completely. So what I did was I applied one layer, I waited for it to completely dry, and they dry down very quickly. It does not take too much of time. Then what I did was I took a little bit of liquid lipstick in the applicator. I dabbed where I wanted the pigmentation to be shown. It also lasted me pretty long. I did not test for like 18 hours or 16 hours as is mentioned, but I tested for like around 6 hours. It did come off a little bit when I had food. So the price range of this liquid lipstick, originally it retails for 1,549. It's on 42% off. Now it retails for 900 rupees. These are my first impression and review of the Vatenn Italy by Saiflex Cosmetics products. I hope you all found this video to be helpful and useful. If you really did, then do give this video a thumbs up. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. And I will link all the products for you guys in the description box, and also their Instagram handle if you want to visit. I'll mention it down. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.